Hi everyone, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I am Bharti. Today we'll be doing a practice for the Sacral Chakra or the Svadhishthana Chakra, which is located right below our navel. Associated with color orange, a balanced Svadhisthana Chakra helps in improving emotional balance, creativity and passion. So once you're ready, let's gently hop onto the mat and get going. Let us start by coming onto the mat. Bring both the feet in front, bringing the soles of the feet together in butterfly pose. Grab both the feet with the hands. As you inhale, lengthen the spine. As you exhale, start flapping the knees up and down. Going for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. From here, we'll get into some Sufi circles. So let's start rotating the torso in clockwise direction, making big circles with the torso, breathing into the opening in the groin area and the hips. Going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's reverse. Going for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come back to center. From here, let us take both the feet in front, bringing them slightly more than hip distance wide, taking both the hands behind the back for support, and we'll do some windshield wipers. So let's drop both the knees to the right, center, left, center, and let's do this for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come back to center. Next, we'll be doing Hindula Asana or rock the baby pose. So let's grab the right foot with the left hand, bringing the right knee on the inside of the right elbow. If you're comfortable, you can bring the right foot on the inside of the left elbow. If that is too difficult, we can stay here. Then as you inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, start rocking the baby side to side. Going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. And let's do it for the other side. Grab the left foot with the right hand, bringing the left knee on the inside of the left elbow. Take your variation. One side might feel a bit different from the other. And let's go for 5, 4, 3. Try to keep the spine while breathing into the stretch in the hip. 2, and 1, and come back to center and relax. From here, let's get into Parivritta Janushesh Asana. So let's bring the right foot towards the right side, bringing the left heel close to the perineum. Bring the right hand on the inside of the right shin. Keep the right foot flexed so that the toes are pointing towards the ceiling. Bring the left hand on the left side. Inhale, extend the left arm up. Exhale, bend towards the right, keeping the chest open. Breathing into the stretch in the back of the right leg and on the left side of the body. So 3, 2, 1. Come back to center. Bring the left hand down. Inhale, take the right arm up for 3, 2, 1. Let's do it 2 more times. Inhale, bring the right hand down. Take the left arm up. Keep opening the chest towards the ceiling for 3, 2, 1. Bring the left hand down. Take the right arm up for 3, 2, 1. Last time. Bending to the right. Keep extending the left arm diagonally. Keep the right foot flexed. And stay for 3, 2, 1. Bring the left hand down. Take the right arm up for 3, 2, 1. And relax. Let's do it for the other side. Extend the left leg out. Bring the right foot close to the perineum. Left hand on the inside of the left shin. Inhale, extend the right arm up. Exhale, bend to the left for 3, 2, 1. Bring the right hand down. Left arm up for 3, 2, 1. Inhale, bend to the left. Keep the left foot flexed this time for 3, 2, 1. Bring the right hand down. Left arm up for 3, 2, 1. Last time. Inhale, bend to the left. 3, 2, 1. Bring the right hand down. 3, 2, 1. And come back to center. Let's bring the left leg in and come into a tabletop position from here. We'll be getting into low lunge or Anjaneyasana from here. So step the right foot forward, close to the right hand, and let's start pushing the hips forward, coming into low lunge. Now here, as you inhale, extend both the arms up, stretching up, and keep pressing the hips gently down towards the mat so you get an opening in the front of the left thigh. Let's stay for 3, 2, 1. Bring both the hands down and let's start pushing the hips back, straightening the right leg. Getting a stretch in the back of the right leg for 3, 2, 1. Let's do it 2 more times. Inhale, push the hips forward, taking the arms up for 3, 2, 1. Exhale, push the hips back for 3. Keep the spine long. 2, 1. Last time. Inhale forward. Exhale back. And come back to center. From here, let's take the right foot close to the left wrist and drop the right knee down, coming into pigeon pose, and let's extend the left leg straight back. Here, try to keep your hips square and level so that they are pointing towards the right side. You can also prop cushion under the right hip to keep the hips balanced. Now from here, let's first get into a back bend. Inhale, extend both the arms up, stretching up for 3, 2, 1. Exhale, bring the hands down, and you can either keep the hands in front or come down onto your elbows and stay here for 5 deep breaths. Breathing into the stretch in the lower back and the outside of the right thigh. And let's slowly come back up. Step the right foot back, and we'll repeat this for the other side. Step the left foot forward, preparing for low lunge. Inhale, extend both the arms up, pushing the hips down for 3, 2, 1. Bring the hands down, pushing the hips back, straightening the left leg, keeping the left foot flexed and the spine long for 3, 2, 1. Inhale forward, stretching the arms up, breathing into the stretch in the front of the right thigh for 3, 2, 1. Exhale, push back for 3, 2, 1. Last time. Inhale up. Exhale back. Come back to center. Let's take the left foot towards the right side, dropping the left knee down. Extend the right leg back, coming into pigeon pose. Balance your hips, and then as you inhale, extend both the arms up, stretching up for 3, 2, 1. Exhale, bring the hands down, taking them in front, finding your variation, and stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come back up. Let's step the left foot back, and we'll get all the way down onto the mat. So let's come down, coming onto our back, and let's get into happy baby pose from here. So pull both the knees in, close to the chest, and grab the outside edges of the feet with both the hands. Keep pulling the legs down so that your thighs are almost parallel to the floor, keeping a 90-degree angle at the knees. Here, let's start rocking side to side, trying to keep our lower back on the mat. Going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come back to center. Let's bring both the feet together and the knees together in Pavan Muktasana, pulling the shins close to the chest for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's cross the ankles and grab the opposite feet, and we'll start rocking forward and backward from here. So let's slowly start rocking forward and back, gaining momentum, and finally come up into an easy cross-legged sitting position. So let's come into a cross-legged sitting position, and we'll finish the practice with Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. Nadi Shodhan Pranayam is a form of alternate nostril breathing, and today we are going to inhale for a count of 4, retain the breath for a count of 2, exhale for a count of 4, and we are going to repeat this. So let's come into an easy cross-legged sitting position, lengthen the spine, roll the shoulders back, bring the hands in Chin Mudra on the knees. Let's bring the right hand in Vishnu Mudra by folding the index and the middle finger. Bring the right thumb over the right nostril. Let us start by inhaling from the left side for 4, 3, 2, 1. Close both the nostrils, retaining for 2, 1. And exhale from the right for 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale right, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 2, 1. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep going on. Last round. Slowly exhaling from the left side, bring the right hand down. Let's take a couple of normal breaths. We'll finish the practice by chanting the beat mantra for Sacral Chakra, which is Vam. So we are going to chant Vam 5 times, and while doing this, keep your attention at the Svadhishthana Chakra located about 2 fingers below the navel, and you can imagine a bright orange ball of energy in this area as you do this. So let's start. Take a deep breath in. Slowly bring the hands to heart center and let's start rubbing the palms to create heat in the palms. Gently bring the palms over the eyelids, feeling the healing heat of the palms through the eyelids. Slowly bring the hands down and open your eyes. Hope you enjoyed this practice. I'll see you in the next session on Manipura Chakra. Till then, take care and bye-bye.